This is Lindsay again with Skilled Hands TV. Most people never touch their smoke detectors until it's too late. In less than 30 seconds, I'll show you how to test yours and make sure it's ready to save your life. These are your first line of defense in a fire. But 3 out of 5 home deaths happen where detectors were not working. Even hardwired detectors need to be tested. Press and hold the test button. You should hear a loud alarm. That means it's ready to protect you. Even wired smoke detectors usually have a backup battery. If you don't remember the last time you changed it, why not change it today? And then change it yearly for peace of mind. I am currently preparing to replace the smoke detector. Check the date on the back. If it's 10 years old, replace it. Hire an electrician if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. Remember, test monthly, keep it clean, replace it if it chirps, or if it's more than 10 years old. If this helped, subscribe to Skilled Hands TV for more quick home safety tips. I'm a U.S. veteran, and I'll help you keep your home safe and running right.